Tails the call, and that is a hit. You've won the toss. What do you want to do? And who is your ace going to be? You've got three choices. You've got Stephen Finn, Tymale Mills, or Graham Creamer.
I would like to bat first and pick final and put runs on the board, and I will choose Finn as my ace player.
You're going to take Stephen Finn. All right, you are bowling, Dre. Who are you going to pick? Graham Creamer or Tymale Mills? Other two left.
Those are two proper bowlers, but I'm going to go with Mills.
All right, gents, just little touch and good luck. Go well. Enjoy the final. Great stuff, gents. There you go. It's Rashid Khan, who is going to bat first, but runs on the board in the final.
Right now it's Rashid Khan, he's facing the fast stuff. What ball has Andre Russell got? Looks like he's got the swinging ball. He's got a slip in position and he's got mid-off. Here we go.
We know what we get from Rashid Khan is a lot of good running, aggressive running, and I think the fact that you've got a fielder behind the stumps where he's batting is a good move because it just stops him from stealing the second.
Oh, there's the in-swing. Mills going to get it. No, he misses it. That's not what you like as a fielder. Full again. 6. No. Yes, close. Very close from Rashid. Boundary 4. So he's...
That's nicely played in the zone. Completes the physical run as well.
Here it is, the last ball of the first innings. He goes for it. It hits the net. He's only going to pick up 1. He's going to look for 2. He's going at it. He's going for 2. Look at this from Russ. Oh! This is magnificent from Dre Russ.
And Rashid Khan is disappointed because in that endeavor to steal 1 run, he's lost 5.
So here we have it. There it is. 2-1-1-4, 4-4, 3 4s. There was a 5 in that. And then the all-important wicket for Andre Russell. 25 runs, Rashid Khan, and this is the big final. Andre Russell, well, he got the wicket off the last ball. He got that brilliant run out. Are we going to see brilliance with the bat? Or are we going to see brilliance with the ball? Rashid Khan, he spins it both ways. He bowls fast. He bowls it back of the length. You've got to pick it before you can hit it. And that's why he's so good in T20s. But in this form of the game, you really have no time. You've just got to go after him. I just don't think you need to lose wickets. You don't want to be losing wickets. I think wickets is what costs you. There we go. Look at this. Dre Russ straight away. He goes 3. He picks it up. Completes the single. And that's a nice start. It's a confident start.
He's probably chased it because he was hitting the ball. Let's get the lucky bat out then.
Oh, a chance. It was hit straight back at Rashid. Got to take your catches off your own bowling.
You're a hard man, KP. I think that's safe.
Rashid Khan to Andre Russell. Oh, the googlies. So he hasn't picked a couple of leg spinners. He hasn't picked a couple of googlies. And when you talk about one of the greats, one of the players who's entertained us over the first couple of days, it's an absolute pleasure to have Mr. Yuvraj Singh in the commentary box.
Yes, mate. Hopefully we will not have a go at each other while we're commentating, but it was fun, and this game is on fire.
What do you think of the UKC?
I think it's a great concept. I think very exciting. 2 innings, you have an opportunity to come back, and probably next year if you have people in here, you know, you have a bigger net, probably more runs. I think it's going to be a great concept for the future.
Yeah, it is. It is. You've heard it here from Yuvraj. You've heard it from all the players. This is the last ball. Last ball here of the first innings. He doesn't want to lose a wicket. He crunches it straight down the ground. Finn misses it.
Oh.
But have a look at this, Rashid Khan. It was that wicket that dropped him down by 5. He could have had 30, got 25. Andre Russell's batted 21. Andre Russell trails by 4 runs.